BD is vital to Glens Falls. They're a part of the fabric of the community. Everywhere you go, we used to call it the 7 degrees of separation for BD here in Glens Falls. It's one of the largest employers in the area, and everywhere you go in this community, you will find one of your coworkers, most likely. Everyone in our building takes pride in the fact that our products are made in the United States and used globally. It is definitely a point of pride for myself personally. I'm glad that we are able to make these medical devices in the United States, and we are known as the world leader. My sister-in-law is a nurse. She works at the Glens Falls Hospital, and she lets us know that their supply room is full of BD products, and there's a reason for that. Our purpose of advancing the world of health means we're looking for better processes and better ways to get our job done in a timely fashion with the best possible quality so we can service our customers in the best way possible.